Sin 45 cos 45 is 1 by root 2. Tan 45 cot 45 is 1. Secant 45 and cosecant 45 is equal to root 2. This is possible only for 45 degree. Once if you are familiar with all these trigonometrical ratios from 0 to 90 degree, then you can solve any problem related to 0, 30, 45, 60, 90, or in terms of radians 0 degree, pi by 6 radians, pi by 4 radians, pi by 3 radians and pi by 2 radians. These are the standard angles. Hello dear students, welcome to this session of basic mathematics class. I am Mr. Niranjan, faculty department of mathematics, Vidhyaashram PU College. Today in this session I am going to take the second chapter in trigonometry, that is standard angles and allied angles. Now this is very important and very easiest chapter and very important for the point of examination. So in this session we are going to discuss regarding the first part of the chapter, that is standard angles. Now, so here the problems on trigonometrical ratios of a standard angle which I am going to study in this section. Now before going to the exact relation between the trigonometrical ratios of standard angles, what are the standard angles we are going to study here? Means the angles like 0 degree, 30 degrees, 45 degree, 60 degrees and 90 degree. So these are all the standard angles 0 to 90 degree which comes in the first quadrant. Now 0 degree, 30 degree, 45 degrees, 60 degrees and 90 degrees. So here this 0 can be written as it is 0. 30 degree in terms of radians is pi by 6 radians and 45 degree is nothing but pi by 4 radians and 60 degree is equal to pi by 3 radians and 90 degree is equal to pi by 2 radians. Now 0, 30, 45, 60, 90 or in terms of radians 0 degree, pi by 6 radians, pi by 4 radians, pi by 3 radians and pi by 2 radians. These are the standard angles. Now in this section we are going to connect the trigonometrical ratios, trigonometrical relations for all these standard angles: sin 0, sin 30, sin 45, sin 60, sin 90. Similarly, tan 0, tan 30, tan 45, tan 60, cosecant 90, like that. Now, let me discuss the first one. Let me take the first one. I will explain this 5 by 4. I will derive the relation for 45 degrees. So, trigonometrical ratios of 45 degrees. Trigonometrical ratios of 45 degrees, or it is also equal to pi by 4 radians. Now let us consider a triangle in which this is an angle theta. Here theta is equal to 45 degrees. Now let us call it as A, B and C. Now let us take consider AB is equal to BC is equal to 1 unit. Now AB is equal to 1, BC is equal to 1 unit. Then what is AC? AB is equal to BC is equal to 1 unit. Then AC is equal to square root of 1 plus 1 is equal to root 2. Right. So let us consider a triangle ABC in which angle C is equal to 45 degrees. Let us take AB is equal to BC is equal to 1 unit. AB is equal to 1, B is equal to 1. Then AC, if you apply Pythagoras theorem, root of AB square plus BC square is AC square. AC is equal to root of AB square plus BC square. So 1 plus 1 is equal to root 2. Now the 6 trigonometrical ratios: sin 45 degrees, sin 45 can be written as opposite by hypotenuse 1 by root 2, and cos 45 degrees. What is cos 45? Adjacent by hypotenuse, that's also equal to 1 by root 2. And then tan 45 degrees. What is tan 45? Opposite by adjacent, 1 by 1 is equal to 1. And similarly, cot 45 degrees is equal to adjacent by opposite, that is 1 by 1 is equal to 1. And secant of 45 degrees is equal to root 2 by 1, that is hypotenuse by adjacent, root 2 by 1 is root 2. And cosecant of 45 is equal to hypotenuse by opposite, that is also equal to root 2 by 1 is root 2. So here sin 45 is 1 by root 2, cos 45 is 1 by root 2, tan 45 is 1, cot 45 is equal to 1, secant 45 is root 2 and cosecant 45 is equal to root 2. So if you observe carefully, Here sin cos equal, tan cot equal and secant cosecant are equal. Sin 45 cos 45 is 1 by root 2. Tan 45 cot 45 is 1. Secant 45 and cosecant 45 is equal to root 2. This is possible only for 45 degree. Sin cos equal, tan cot equal and secant and cosecant are equal. 1 by root 2, 1 and root 2 or the trigonometrical ratios for the standard angle 45 degrees. So, this is how we are going to derive the ratios of trigonometrical ratios for 45 degree. Similarly, we can derive the ratios for 0 degree and 90 degree and whereas 30 degrees and 60 degrees. So, 0 and 90 are related, 30 and 60 are also related. Now, let me write down the table how they are related. Now, this is very important, trigonometrical ratios of standard angles. 0 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degrees and 90 degrees. So, 0 degree, 30 degree can also be written as pi by 6 radians, then pi by 4 radians 45 degrees, 60 degrees is equal to pi by 3 radians and 90 degrees is equal to pi by 2 radians. Now, let us write a 0 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree and 90 degree. Sin cos tan, tan is equal to sin by cos, then cosecant theta 1 by sin, secant theta 1 by cos, cot theta 1 by tan. Now, let us write first here sin 0 0, sin 30 1 by 2, sin 45 is 1 by root 2, sin 60 is root 3 by 2 and sin 90 is equal to 1. So, if you know the first line, that is 0 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree, 90 degree, sin 0, 0, 1 by 2, 1 by root 2, root 3 by 2 and 1. If you reverse this, if you reverse this, you will get cos. So, cos 0 is equal to 1, cos 30 root 3 by 2, cos 45 1 by root 2, cos 60 is 1 by 2 and cos 90 is equal to 0. Just if you reverse this, 1 root 3 by 2, 1 by root 2, 1 by 2 and 0. Tan is nothing but sin by cos. If you divide this, 0 by 1 is equal to 0, 2 gets cancelled, 1 by root 3, 1 by root 2, 1 by root 2 gets cancelled, 1, root 3 by 2 divided by 1 by 2, 2 and 2 gets cancelled, root 3 by 1 is root 3 and 1 by 0, you know 1 by 0 which is an infinity not defined. Now, similarly for cot, if you reverse you will get cot. So, infinity which is not defined, this is infinity which is not defined, here it is infinite, then root 3, 1, 1 by root 3 and 0, this is for a cot. The reciprocal of this will give the cot value. Similarly, for cosecant, cosecant is the reciprocal of sine. So, if you reciprocate sine, you will get a cosecant. So, that is 0 by 1 which is infinity not defined, 1 by 2 by 1 that is nothing but 2 by 1 is 2 and root 2 by 1 is equal to root 2, 2 by root 3 and 1 by 1 is equal to 1. So, here cosecant 0 is equal to infinity, cosecant 30 is 2, cosecant 45 is root 2, cosecant 62 by root 3 and cosecant 90 is equal to 1. The last one is the cos. Secant is a reciprocal of cos. So, 1 by 0, 1 by 1, 1 by 1 is 1, root 3 by 2, 1 by root 3 by 2 is 2 by root 3, root 2 by 1 is root 2, 2 by 1 is 2 and 1 by 0 is equal to infinite. So, this is how we are going to write the trigonometrical ratios for the standard angle 0, 30, 45, 60 and 90. This is very important table. Once if you are familiar with all these trigonometrical ratios from 0 to 90 degree, then you can solve any problem related to this. So, find the values of the following. So, these are all 2 marks question. Find the value of cos square 30 plus cos square 45 plus cos square 60. Now, the given equation can be written as, what is cos 30 from the table? Cos 30 is equal to root 3 by 2, root 3 by 2 whole square plus what is cos 45? Cos 45 from the table is 1 by root 2 whole the square plus cos square 60. What is cos 60 from the table? 1 by 2 whole square. Now, simplify this. Root 3 by 2 whole square, root square root gets cancelled, 3 by 4, 1 by root 2 whole square is 2 and square root gets cancelled 2 and this is equal to 1 by 4. Now, so if you want just take LCM, 4 is the LCM here, 4 is the LCM, 4 and 4 gets cancelled 3. So, if you divide 4 by 2, 2 2s are 2 1s are 2 plus 4 and 4 gets cancelled. So, this is equal to 3 plus 2, 5 plus 1 is 6 divided by 4, 6 by 4 is nothing but 3 by 2. So the required answer is 3 by 2. That's it. Okay. Let me explain. See, very simple problem for 2 marks. What is the given equation? Cos square 30. Cos square 30 is root 3 by 2. Cos square 45 1 by root 2 whole square is cos 60 1 by 2. So root 3 into root 3 is root 10 square of 9 is 3. Or square root gets cancelled. 3 by 2 square is 4. 1 by square root gets cancelled. 1 by 2. 1 square is 1 divided by 4. Take LCM. 4 is LCM. 4 and 4 gets cancelled. 3. If you divide 4 by 2, 2 times it will gets cancelled. 2 ones are 2 plus 4 and 4 gets cancelled. 3 plus 2 plus 1 is 6 by 4 is equal to 3 by 2, which is a required answer. Now, let us take a similar type problem. Find the value of cot square 60 plus sin square 45 plus sin square 30 plus cos square 90 degrees. Now, the given equation can be written as, what is cot 60? Cot 60 is equal to 1 by root 3. 1 over root 3 whole square. Sin 45 is 1 by root 2 whole square plus what is sin 30? Sin 30 is equal to 1 by 2 whole square plus what is cos 90? Cos 90 is equal to 0. Now this is equal to 1 by root 3 whole square is 1 by 3 plus 1 by 2 plus 1 by 4 plus 0. So 1 by 3 plus 1 by 2 plus 1 by 4. Let us take LCM and simplify. So this is nothing but 1 over 3 plus 1 over 2 plus 1 over 4. Now take the LCM for 3, 4 and 2. 2, 3 and 4. Take LCM. 2 ones are this as it is, 2 twos are again. So again. So 2 into 2 into 3. 3 twos are 6, 6 twos are 12. 12 is the LCM for this. 12 is the LCM. So if you divide 12 by 3, it will cancel by 4 times. So 12 by 2 is 6 plus 12 by 4 is 3. So 6 plus 4, 10 plus 3 is 13 divided by 2. So the required answer is 13 divided by 12 is the required answer. Very simple. See here, cot 60. 1 by root 3 whole square, sin 45 1 by root 2 whole square, sin 30 1 by 2 whole square, cos 90 is 0. 1 by 3, 1 by 2, 1 by 4 plus 0. So that is equal to 3, 4, 2. For 3, 4, 2, take the LCM. 3 4s are 12. 3 into 4 is 12 is the LCM. So in the numerator, you will get 4 plus 6 plus 3. That's equal to 13 by 12, which is the required answer. Now move on to the next problem. Find the value of sin square pi by 6 plus cos square pi by 3 minus tan square pi by 4 plus cot square pi by 4. This can be written as, the given equation can be written as sin square, convert this radians into degrees. Pi by 6 is nothing but 30 degrees plus cos square, pi by 3 is nothing but 60 degrees minus tan square pi by 4 is nothing but 45 degrees plus cot square pi by 4 is also equal to 45 degrees. Now, so what is sin 30? Sin 30 1 by 2 whole square. Cos 30 is also equal to 1 by 2 whole square. Tan 45 is 1 plus cot 45 is 1. Now, this is equal to 1 by 2 whole square is 1 by 4. 1 by 2 whole square is 1 by 4 plus 1 square is 1 minus 1 square. Minus 1 plus 1 gets cancelled. 1 by 4 plus 1 by 4. 1 by 4 plus 1 by 4. Take 4 is the LCM. 1 plus 1, that is 2 by 4 is equal to 1 by 2, which is the required answer. That's it. See, sin 30 1 by 2, cos 30 1 by 2 whole square, tan 45, cot 45 is 1 square, minus 1 square plus 1 square gets cancelled. If you want, you can cancel here itself. So minus 1 plus 1 gets cancelled. 1 by 4 plus 1 by 4 is nothing but 1 by 2. Now, move on to the similar type problem. Find the value of cos 60 minus sin 30 minus cot cube 45 degree. Now, the given equation can be written as, what is cos 60? Cos 60 is equal to 1 by 2 minus sin 30. Sin 30 is also equal to 1 by 2 minus cot 45. Cot 45 is 1. So, that is minus 1 cube. So, 1 by 2 minus 1 by 2, 1 cube is equal to 1, minus 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2 gets cancelled. This is equal to minus 1. That's it. Very simple for 2 marks. Now move on to the next problem. Find the value of 3 tan square pi by 6 plus 4 by 3 cos square pi by 6 minus 1 by 2 secant square pi by 3 minus 1 by 3 sin square pi by 3. Now, the given equation can be written as the given equation 3 into tan square pi by 6. Pi by 6 is nothing but 30 degree plus 4 by 3 into cos square, again pi by 6 is nothing but 30 degrees minus of secant square. What is pi by 4? 45 degrees minus 1 by 3 sin square pi by 3. Pi by 3 is nothing but again 60 degrees. Right. So, this is equal to 3 into, what is tan 30? 1 by root 3. Tan 30 1 by root 3 whole square plus 4 by 3 into, what is cos 30? Cos 30 root 3 by 2 whole square minus 1 by 2 into, what is secant 45? Root 2 minus 1 by 3 into sin 60. Sin 60 is equal to root 3 by 2 whole the square. That's it. Now, simplify this. What is this equal to? 3 into 1 by root 3 whole square is 1 by 3 plus 4 by 3 into root 3 whole square gets cancelled, square root gets cancelled. This is 4 by 3, 3 by 4 minus 1 by 2 into square root gets cancelled, minus 2 minus 1 by 3 into root and square gets cancelled. This is equal to 3 by 4. Now, cancel the terms which gets cancelled. Now, here 3 and 3 gets cancelled. This 3 by 3 gets cancelled. 4 and 4 gets cancelled. 2 and 2 gets cancelled. 3 and 3 gets cancelled. What is left over is 1 plus 1 minus 1, again minus 1 by 4. Now, here minus 1 plus 1 gets cancelled. This is equal to 1 minus 1 by 4. Take 4 is the LCM. 4 ones are 4 minus 1 is 3 by 4. So, the required answer is equal to 3 divided by 4. 3 by 4 is the required answer. That's it. Hope you followed. Okay. Now, let us move on to the next problem. Let's move on to the next problem. Find the value of, this is a 3-marker question, 3 tan square 30 plus 4 by 3 cos square 30 minus 1 by 2 cot square 45 minus 2 by 3 sin square 60 plus 1 by 8 secant to the power of 4 times 60 degree. Now, the given equation can be written as 3 into tan 30. Tan 30 is nothing but 1 by root 3 whole square plus 4 by 3 into cos 30. So, cos 30 is equal to root 3 by 2 whole square minus half into cot 45. Cot 45 is equal to 1 square. Cot 45 is 1, cot square is 1 square minus 2 by 3 into sin 60. Sin 60 is root 3 by 2 whole square plus 1 over 8 into secant 60. Secant 60 is nothing but 2. 2 to the power of 4. Now, simplify this. That's all. So, here this can be written as 3 into square root gets cancelled 1 by 3, 4 by 3 into square root gets cancelled 3 by 4 minus 1 by 2 into 1 minus 2 by 3 into square root gets cancelled 3 by 4 plus 1 by 8 into 2 to the power of 4. So, what is 2 to the power of 4? 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8 to the 16. So, 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8 to the 16. Cancel that terms. So, this 3 and 3 gets cancelled. This 3, everything gets cancelled. Again, 3 and 3 gets cancelled. 2 ones are 2 twos are 8 twos are. So, this is equal to, what is left over is 1 plus 1, again minus 1 by 2 minus 1 by 2 plus 2. That's it. Okay. See, 1 by 2 into is 1 by 2. Again, we have 1 by 2 plus 2. So, plus 1 plus 1. 1 plus 1 is 2 plus 2 minus 1 by 2 minus 1 by 2 is equal to minus 1. 2 plus 2 is 4 minus 1. 4 minus 1 is 3, which is the required answer. See here, 1 plus 1 is 2. 2 plus 2. 2 plus 2 is 4 minus half minus half is 1. So, minus 1. So, 4 minus 1 is equal to 3, which is the required answer. That's it. Okay. Now, let us move on to the next problem. What is the next problem? Find the value of sin pi by 2 into cos square pi by 6 into secant square pi by 4 divided by tan pi by 3 plus cot pi by 3. Now the given equation can be written as the given equation sin pi by 2 sin 90 into cos square pi by 6. Pi by 6 is nothing but 30 degrees into secant square pi by 4. Pi by 4 means 45 degrees. Secant square 45 degree divided by tan pi by 3. Tan of pi by 3. What is pi by 3? Pi by 3 is nothing but 60 degree plus cot of pi by 3 is 60 degree. Substitute here. Now what is this equal to? Sin 90. Sin 90 is 1 into cos 30. Cos 30 is root 3 by 2 whole square into secant 45 is root 2 whole square divided by tan 60 and cot 60. Tan 60 is root 3 plus cot 60 is 1 by root 3. Now simplify this. What is this equal to? 1 into root 3 whole square is 3 divided by 4 into square root gets cancelled 2 divided by, take LCM, root 3 is the LCM. Root 3 into root 3 is root 9, square of 9 is 3 plus 1. That's equal to, this is equal, 2 2's I gets cancelled, 3 by 2 divided by 4 by root 3. So this is 3 by 2 into root 3 by 4. This is nothing but 3 root 3 divided by 8. That's it. 3 root 3 by 8 is the simplified answer. Okay. See here, just substitute the values. Sin 91, sin cos 30 root 3 by 2 whole square, secant 45 is root 2 whole square divided by tan 60 root 3 and cos 61 by root 3. So root 3 into root 3, root 9 square of 9 is 3 by 4, 2 square is 4 into square root gets cancelled, 2 2's I gets cancelled, 3 by 2, root 3 plus 1 by root 3, take LCM, root 3 is LCM, root 3 into root 3 is root 9, square of 9 is 3, 3 plus 1 is 4. So simplify, 3 by 2 into root 3 divided by 4, that is 3 root 3 divided by 8, which is the required answer. Now move on to the next problem. What is the next problem here? Find the value of sin square 60, cos cube 60, secant square 30 divided by 2 cos square 30 minus 1 by 2 sin square 60 into tan square 30 degrees. So the given equation can be written as sin 60. Sin 60 is equal to root 3 by 2 whole square into cos 60. Cos 60 is equal to 1 by 2 whole cube into secant 30. Secant 30 is equal to, secant 30 is 2 by root 3 whole square whole divided by 2 into cosecant 30. Cosecant 30 is equal to 2 square minus 1 by 2 into sin 60. Sin 60 is root 3 by 2 whole square into tan 30. Tan 30 is nothing but 1 over root 3 whole the square. That's it. Simplify, you'll get the answer. Okay. Now let us simplify this. What is this equal to? 3 by 4 into 1 divided by 2 cube is 8 into 2 2's are 4 divided by 3 whole divided by 2 into 2 square is 4 minus 1 by 2 into root 3 whole square is 3 divided by 2 square is 4 into 1 by 3. Now what happens? This is here 3 and 3 gets cancelled, again 4 and 4 gets cancelled. What is left over here is 1 over 8 in the numerator divided by, in the denominator you can cancel 3 and 3 gets cancelled, 4 2's are 8 minus 1 into 1 is 1 divided by 2 4's are 8, 1 by 8. Take LCM and simplify. This is 1 over 8, in the denominator 8 is LCM, 8 8's are 64 minus 1. So 1 over 8 into 8 divided by 63. This 8 and 8 gets cancelled, 1 by 63. The required answer is 1 by 60. That's it. Okay. This is how we are going to solve this problem. Now move on to the next problem. Now what is the problem given here is, prove that, find the value of this. That means show that 1 minus cot pi by 3 whole square divided by 1 plus cot pi by 3, 1 minus cot pi by 3 by 1 plus cot pi by 3 whole square is equal to 1 minus cos pi by 6 divided by 1 plus cos pi by 6. So in this type of problems can be solved by taking LHS and RHS separately. Show that LHS is equal to RHS. Now let us take LHS. What is LHS? 1 minus cot pi by 3. Pi by 3 is nothing but 60 divided by 1 plus cot 60 whole the square. 1 minus, what is cot 60? Cot 60 is 1 by root 3. 1 by root 3 by 1 plus 1 by root 3 whole square. Take LCM, root 3 is the LCM, root 3 into 1 is root 3 minus 1 divided by root 3 is the LCM, root 3 into 1 is root 3 plus 1 whole the square, square root gets cancelled. What is left over is root 3 minus 1 whole square divided by root 3 plus 1 whole the square. Now, just apply a minus b and a plus b whole square. A square plus b square minus 2ab divided by a square plus b square plus 2ab. This is equal to 4 minus 2 root 3 divided by 4 plus 2 root 3. You can take the common factor, 2 is the common factor, 2 minus root 3 divided by 2 into 2 plus root 3. 2 gets cancelled. This is equal to 2 minus root 3 divided by 2 plus root 3. 2 minus root 3 by 2 plus root 3 is the left hand side. Let us go to the RHS. Now, what is RHS? 1 minus cos pi by 6. Pi by 6 is nothing but 30. Cos 30 divided by 1 plus cos 30 degrees. Now, this is equal to, what is cos sin 30 of cos 30 is root 3 by 2 divided by 1 plus root 3 by 2. Take LCM, 2 is the LCM, 2 into 1 is 2 minus root 3, again 2 is the LCM, 2 into 1 is 2 plus root 3. 2 and 2 gets cancelled. What we have? 2 minus root 3 divided by 2 plus root 3. See the LHS and RHS here. The LHS is 2 minus root 3 by 2 plus root 3. Here it is also. So, therefore, LHS is equal to RHS. That is nothing but 2 minus root 3 divided by 2 plus root 3. So, if you want, you can rationalize the denominator. If you want, you can rationalize the denominator, you will get the answer. Okay, that's it. So, this is how we are going to solve this problem. Take LHS and RHS separately, you will get the answer. That's it. So, hope you followed. So, these are few types of problems on trigonometrical ratios of standard angles. Hope you followed. So, that's all regarding today's session. Let us meet with the different types of problems in the next session. Thank you very much.